Today we're going to make the weirdest beer we have ever made on the Climber Brewing channel. Sous vide steak.
That's not beer.
We really are going to cook up some steak. Yeah, so we got the kettle set up. We got the water in there. Probably should throw the basket
Just
in
gotta
there.
throw the basket in.
All right. We have the meats, as they say. I'm gonna trademark that. We have the meats.
Got the meats.
No one's ever said that before.
Will you look at that? Look at that marbling.
Looks very meaty,
Just like it should.
All right, so we've watched a lot of videos on sous videing, and the guy that we've been watching, I think it's the Sous Vide Everything channel.
Sous vide everything, yeah.
Puts an absurd amount of salt on his steaks.
I don't know if that's to tenderize it.
I don't know, man. I'm a little.
It's a lot.
Yeah. So I just got some all-purpose barbecue rub.
Very nice.
Also have some butt rub.
So you slap your
Rub
mama.
some butt.
Rub some butt.
This is like more barbecue seasoning, but it's mustard, which I love. Yeah. Oh. I'm a little nervous to go any more than that.
I mean, he went balls deep.
Yeah.
Let's do have some really nice marbling now.
$50 vacuum sealer.
And it came with the bags.
All right.
And then it's a small roll of and then waiting for the sizzle.
Yeah, it makes a noise.
Oh,
There you go. Real nice.
nice tight seal. That does actually a really good job.
Look at that meat. Oh yeah.
Yeah, and then we just pop the basket in there to keep
Keep it off the element.
to keep everything off the element.
Just put them in.
Yeah. Drop them in. They're the goods.
What are we gonna do? 2 hours?
Yeah, 2 hours.
2 hours at 132.
Yeah.
All right. Let's mash it up.
Okay, so we're also gonna cook up some asparagus and potatoes. They don't need to cook as long, but I'm gonna get them ready now. So we've got my potatoes here, plethora of colors. So I've rinsed them off already. All right, now I'm just gonna add a little bit of sea salt. And I'm gonna put some butter in there as well. I'm gonna put like a quarter of a stick in there. So then I'll do that again here. Cool, so now I'm gonna seal both of these. Okay, so since we were making meat and potatoes, I figured I'd buy something green as well.
How long are you gonna do that for?
The asparagus, just like whatever you said, 10 minutes or something. I'm gonna throw some butter in these as well. Why not? We'll throw some salt in here as well. Alright. Here's a pro tip. When making dinner, always eat some vegetables. Science says you'll live longer that way. So we've been thinking about doing sous vide with the Brew system for quite a while now. The interesting thing is that the Brew system, just on its own with zero modifications whatsoever, is set up perfectly to do this. We're heating water at a very specific temperature. We can even recirculate. We have a basket to keep the food off of the element. I mean, that's that.
Do you think that's enough butter?
I put like a third of a stick in there.
It looks great.
Yeah.
Just toss it in.
Yeah. More butter, more better.
Hopefully we got room for all this.
More
goodies.
better, more better.
Oh yeah, we got one now. Yeah. I only
Now,
put.
the taters though aren't exactly sinking.
So we might have to put a little something on there. You know.
So we're just
We're
putting
winging
a
it.
little piece of aluminum on the potatoes to hold them down.
Yeah, just some scrap aluminum we had laying around.
Yeah, so just grab your scrap aluminum out of your scrap aluminum drawer and
You're good to
toss it on there.
go.
You'll be fine.
How long should you been mashing?
Steaks have been mashed for 2 hours.
Nice.
I feel like that's not cooked.
All right. Well, we'll take the steaks out.
Take the steaks out.
Maybe we'll bump the heat up once we
Yeah.
get the steaks out.
All right.
2 for 2.
Huh.
Everything I've read on the vegetables was 190. Maybe we'll bump it up to that.
Cut the bag.
Cut the bag, dry the steak,
Dry the steak.
sear the steak,
Sear the steak.
eat the steak.
Eat the steak. All right. So the next thing we do is pat dry.
Dab it
A
up.
little dab.
Dab it, do ya?
Dab it, do you? Dab it up. So these are supposed to be like very dry, I think. The steak at this point doesn't look amazing. It doesn't really look good at all. The trick to sous videing apparently is searing with the torch, which I'm skeptical. I only cook on charcoal. Emmett, you cook on charcoal, propane?
Charcoal, yeah, wood briquettes.
Yeah, I just feel like the charcoal gives steak and meat and chicken and whatever a flavor that propane doesn't. I just think it's silly to do all this and then throw it on a charcoal fire.
The other option is to get like a cast iron pan, super hot.
Sear it in the
then sear
pan
the
after it's
pan.
done. That'd be a good idea.
So maybe we'll have to do a side by side.
Right, true. For this round, we're gonna use this, what's this, Searsall torch head on some camping fuel. This is what the sous viders on the interwebs do. So we're gonna try it out. Now we're cooking. Okay. I was wondering if that was gonna happen. Okay, we opened up all the windows. It's not smoky though.
I think it might have heat.
Really?
Just right there. And that
Yeah.
torch is pretty hot.
I bought some green Italian parsley from the store, just for effect, honestly.
I think it's just gonna look good in the picture.
It's gonna look great in the picture. All right, and it's like medium.
Yeah, it's medium.
I mean, it looks great.
It looks perfect.
Yeah. All right, man. You ready?
Yeah.
Ready to try it out?
Cheers, man.
Cheers.
I'm excited. Oh, wow. Wow.
Good.
Yeah.
Looks awesome. All right, I'm gonna try it.
First ever sous vide steak. Oh, good.
Yeah. There's something to this.
Yeah.
That is.
Wow. I cook a lot of steak. I always cook ribeye. Always do on the grill.
That's,
Cooked it like a bunch of different ways, cowboy style, just all kinds of weird stuff. That's amazing.
yeah. Oh my God. That is. Might be one of the best steaks I've ever had.
Yeah.
I'm not even joking.
I would say so too. I would say this would probably, I mean, it's like the best
Just the moisture.
texture, moisture level of any steak I've literally ever had.
Wow.
The seasoning and the parsley, I'd change that.
So we're gonna pull the vegetables out here in a second, but to conclude the steak portion of this video,
2 thumbs up.
yeah, A+, great job.
Super easy. You don't need the fancy sealer. You can use Ziploc bags. I figure we'll be hopefully doing this every once in a while, so we've made the investment. I'm kind of
really
blown
good.
away you don't get any of that propane flavor.
Yeah,
Or
no.
whatever that is. That propane?
It's propane.
Yeah.
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 Well, let's pull the vegetables out.
Super good.
Very nice. Bag of
one.
potatoes. Asparagus.
Do we have a breach in this one?
No, I think asparagus
That's
is
just
just
butter?
kind of watery, and I put a bunch of butter in those. Not a bunch, but some. I'm not sure how well cooked the potatoes are.
We'll have to fork test them later.
Yeah.
Everything we read said 190,
Yeah.
but we were trying to do everything at once.
Yeah.
So maybe next time we put the potatoes in like an hour earlier,
Or put them in with the steak.
or even earlier. Yeah.
Or even earlier. Gotcha. All right.
Dinner.